Hello everybody, it's Lurgs here. Welcome to my channel. I'm here to save you time and money. And today it's how to remove the dispenser drawer on a Hoover washing machine. This is so you can take it out, give it a good old clean, get rid of any gunk or gunge. You don't want all this gunk and gunge going onto your clothes. Right, let's get cracking. This is the Hoover washing machine here, and this one is actually a washer dryer. And personally, I wouldn't recommend a washer dryer as it's trying to be the jack of all trades and the master of none. And there's a link above now about how to install a brand new washing machine. Okay, to remove the dispenser drawer, it's on the top left hand corner. So just pull it out until it won't come out any further. And then you've just got this blue button here. Just push that down. And then that releases the clip and you can just pull it out. Now this one is in really good condition. So here's one that I prepared earlier, which is covered in mold and gunk. So just take your wife's toothbrush and just give it a good clean with some hot soapy water. Clean it on the inside and the outside. Whilst I'm cleaning this, there's a link above now on various how-to guides on all sorts of makes and models of washing machines. There's some really good information in there. Now before you put the detergent drawer back in, it's worth having a look inside the drawer. If that's all filthy and gunky, then make sure you give it a good clean with a cloth. Don't be tempted to use a toothbrush because you might lose it down the hole and that might get stuck in the washing machine. Now to put the detergent drawer back in, just line it up on the grooves and then just push it gently all the way home. And now you can start your wash knowing that your clothes will come out super clean and super fresh. And don't forget to put your wife's toothbrush back. Actually, this is a lie, this is not my wife's toothbrush. If you would like more videos on how to save you time and money, then please press the subscribe button down here. I really do appreciate you visiting my channel, everyone. If you'd like to select any other videos around here, that would be really cool. And be sure to hit that bell notification tab. Was it my wife's toothbrush or not? We may never know.